We just pulled into the Webster Pond, which is also known as Duck Pond. Gonna lock this beast, Big Bertha. Off we go on our little walk around the pond. Beautiful day in July. I wouldn't mind going for a swim right about now. Nice family day on a Sunday. And there we got geese and ducks. What else can you find? There's chickens in there? Where's a chicken? Show me a chicken. Chickens are in the water? Can chickens swim?
They dip their heads in the water.
They dip their heads in the water?
No.
You want to go catch one? I guess we should get some food and feed them. There's a bunch on the ground. A rock? Oh, that's not very nice. There's a big barn. Oh, look, they're coming up here. Hi, buddy. Look, Eric. This one wants to be friends. Got a little shop over here. Ooh. Hello. Oh, look, nice and cool in here. Here's the keys. Do you know how to lock the car? Okay. Oh, that's nice. The food was free? Oh, you can always make a donation. Yep, Bobby's hungry. Eric. Oh, that's nice of you. Can Eric do it? Good job.
I didn't see any leather.
He's so big you can almost ride him. Are they? Like how clear the water is. So they're having a fishing program here. I wonder if there's any fish. I'm not seeing any fish in this one. That's not bad. No, Michelle, no big foods. No foods. No donuts. A what? A filter?
Yeah.
Cold meat. Wow, this guy's that busted. You locked the car? I do like the white one. Very pretty. He looks like a baby almost. Yep, they had a little carnival yesterday and I didn't know if it was going to be open today, so we drove out here for the carnival so the kids can go on some rides, and apparently they moved out. So, Plan B, the Duck Pond, which is nice. Hey buddy, you friendly? You having fun? Go play with your buddies. Oh, I can't even tell you how many ducks and geese there are here. Very nice, very nice. What do you have there? That's an interesting bird right there. With a red face and thing. Sun. Can't blame them. Oh, what is it? Michelle, look at that eagle. Michelle. Michelle, look. I think that's a bald eagle up there. Wow, that's awesome. There he goes. Yeah, who are you feeding? Huh? No. Nice little trail that goes along the pond. What'd you find? Tadpoles? Ooh, there's a lot of them, huh? Those are minnows. There's a lot of minnows there. Okay. You're right. Poor duck. He has a jaw, but it's injured.
No, that's his tongue, Roman.
Oh, that's his tongue?
That's
oh
his tongue.
My goodness.
His bottom jaw is like gone.
Wow. I've never seen that before.
Oh, he's right there.
I'm glad he can still. No, he's got a beak.
You're so sick.
Yeah.
That's a baby, Eric. Look, that's a baby.
Where's your other ones?
Yeah, see the ducks, huh? There they are. If it wasn't this hot, people would be all over this place today. Oh, did they? That's nice. Any luck? Oh, nice. Decent size or just small ones? Not a bad deal. Wow. Have a good one. No way. That's impressive, man. Good luck. No mosquitoes out here. It's too hot for them. Yeah, I guess. You're so sweet. Eric, you got any mosquito problems? What are you feeding? Fish? Oh man. Oh, so nice, so nice. Just gotta get up almost around the entire pond. Almost wrapped it up. And off to get some ice cream. See those guys. You're about to get jumped over here. Don't mess with them. He's protected it. That's not a baby. I don't know what kind of grease that is.
Ew, that was cute.
So they're all out here in the shade. I was wondering why there weren't all that many of them out in the water today. Alrighty. These guys are friendly. I mean, you go to an average park with a bunch of geese there, you're going to get jumped. Look at this guy. They'll chase you out. Like ducks and geese hanging out. That guy doesn't like me. He's like, stay away. You're stepping in on his turf. He doesn't like that. Cool. Alright, well. And that's the duck pond. They should call it the geese pond. Very nice. So we got some lettuce for the geese. Let's see if they like the lettuce. Romaine lettuce, baby. Okay, we got one. Well, that guy will eat just about anything. These guys are picky. What's up with that guy's feathers?
I have no idea.
Put too much gel on it. Oh, there's another one. There's a vegetarian coming in. Oh, this guy? Oh, that's an interesting one.
Dang, what's he got? He got knocked out.
Looks like he knocked somebody else out.
Headbutt.
Oh, they're coming. There's Frito over
Look at
there.
Waddle. Hold on, Eric. Let's just watch them.
Yeah, look, they got a lot of lettuce here, buddy. They love lettuce, huh? Didn't know that. Oh, there's one way back there coming in. Good job, Eric. Good boy. Yeah, throw it out there. He's way out there. Yep, they're coming. There's a line. They see all the commotion. The buffet has arrived. Golden Corral in the house.
We got corn, we got lettuce.
Corn lettuce.
Corn and lettuce. For your butt.
You want one as a pet? You want a goose as a pet? They're coming. You scared, Eric?
Eric got scared. He's like, oh,
You got scared?
I like that.
Oh, that guy's flying.
And a brown and white body. They're like, what? Lettuce? What? I'm bored of this corn.
Yeah, hello. They're waking up.
Oh my god. What's going on?
Oh yeah, you should have done this from the get-go. Note to self.
I don't
Lettuce.
think you're good. Sorry, bud. I don't have any more.
Yep, the squad has arrived a little too late.
Yep. Sorry, boys.
All right, let's bounce.
Oh, good one.
Oh yeah. Where's that lettuce? Give me that big chunk.
I don't think you're even gonna eat it.
Hey, really? We'll break off pieces. Sorry, that's all we got. That's all we got, bro. That's it. Back up
Give me
slowly.
$3 more.
Back up. I only got 2 on you. And the 20 and the 20.
Give me another $5 bill. Eric's scared, babe.
Go in the go.
Eric, you're okay. It's okay.
Hold me. Hold me. Just a duck, Eric. Guess she's getting more or less. Now that the gang has finally arrived. Watch Eric, he's gonna get scared. Where's Eric? He's hiding. Eric, come out. Eric, look. Good idea to feed him on land. Eric, come out and pet one. I've never seen him scared before. Why are you scared? No, you're okay. You okay? You okay? Daddy got you. They're just birdies. Oh, me? Oh, look at all the birdies. I got your hand. Look at that
I share.
one. You okay? You okay? Better? Yeah? Oh, feed this guy. I feel bad for this guy. He looks like an outcast. That's like the ugly duckling. Come here. Feed that guy.
He's adorable.
Yeah, give it to him. I like that guy. This guy looks mean. Just stand here. Just stand.
Oh my god, he's so great.
He knows the deal. I hold.
Oh, I pet him. Did you see that?
Did
I
you?
pet
Yeah,
him. Here.
Just stay there. It's okay. Eric, Eric's scared. Okay, we're gonna go. Eric's scared. You're gonna get out. So Eric is scared of the birdies. Come on, let's walk out the door. Open the door. Nope, the other side. Over here. Cool, the show is over. Well, that was fun. Eric, you didn't have too much fun, did you?
Like, do you have lettuce?
Were you scared, buddy? Were you scared? Yeah? It's okay.